rehearsal what we are going to do in our upcoming classes. Okay, right. So from tomorrow onwards we'll be starting our paper 1 class. From tomorrow onwards our paper 1 class will be started in our Unify study app, and that too the first 3 days will be of a free class. It's not paid. The first 3 days will be of a free class. For all the learners, it's going to be a free class. You can download the Unify Study app from the Play Store. You can sign in at sharp 8 o'clock in the night. 8 p.m. Okay, free class at 8 p.m. night. Join, and we'll be doing one day, one DI along with the concepts. So we start teaching aptitude. We'll be going through till the exams. Okay, and we'll be having free classes for the first 3 days. You'll be understanding how this course has been going on, how the test series has been going on. You can explore all the options which are there, and then you can go ahead with the PYQ session, right? Okay, any clarifications regarding this? Yes. So with these options, we will start with the questions. Okay, let's start with the question. This is how our session is going to be. Okay, today I am going to focus on important some terms of questions so that we will have an idea. See, here in our app we are going to use poll so that we get a real time-bounded thing we can do it. It will be more interesting to get answer, right? Okay, start. Poll created, answer. Poll created, answer. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Very good. 47% has given the right answer. The right answer for this question is understanding level. What is this topic? This topic comes under the levels of teaching in the teaching aptitude. Levels of teaching. What are the levels that we have? We have memory level, we have reflective level, and we have understanding level, right? 3 different levels of teaching. So whenever we teach at memory level, it's of just rote learning. We read, we just recall, that's all. It's all rote learning, memory level teaching. When we seek relationship, whatever we have learned in the memory level, we compare things and we seek relationship, and that we call understanding level. What do you mean reflective level? There will be doing critical thinking. We have understood some concepts, we're moving ahead with the next level, and that we call it as reflective level, right? Exactly. Yeah, super. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Given you the timer on. Ma'am, are you free YouTube class? Yes, I will be taking YouTube class for sure. There will be YouTube classes. Don't worry. YouTube classes will be there. There we'll be having concepts. We'll be explaining the concepts with some conceptual PIQs. But with the latest pattern, PIQs will be covered here in the app. You can join. It will be definitely useful to you. Definitely useful to you. Charanya. Murthy, I'll be taking YouTube class. Don't worry. I'll be taking YouTube class at 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 to 11 in the morning. And the app session will be taken 8 to 9. 8 starts from 8 o'clock. We'll be doing along with one day, one DA. That is the main focus. One day, one DA will be there. and along with the PYQs. Very good. I have got 70% of the right answer. Very good. Very good. 70% right answer. The answer is option 3. Very good. Very good. So face-to-face interactive method, A4. When I will do face-to-face interactive method, I will be doing reflective questions coupled with discussion. ODL, this is called ODL. ODL is a method of teaching where we'll be doing a class model instruction material as the technique. And C2, individualized method of teaching where this is we doing with the programmed instructional package. Online method of teaching using Swayam. When you identify this one option, we'll be getting clear. No need of doing all those things. When I identify this Swayam and MOOC as online method of teaching, see only one option is there with the D1. Simply we can select. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, next. Next question. I hope I'll be getting right answer for this question. 30 seconds for this question. As we have learned logical reasoning a lot, right? Anand, don't worry, we can definitely do. We can do. Yes, Anand. Yes, yes, I should get 100%. Yes, I said 100% I'm getting. Oh, it's 80, 66, 57, 62, 55. Sagarika's never seen reading any mathematics books during the daytime, yet she scored 98% marks in mathematics. Therefore, she must be studying during the night. Which of the following means of knowledge is used in this argument? Arthapati, assuming themselves. We studied in our YouTube session, right? We studied in our YouTube session, right? Answer for this question is Arthapati. Yes? Okay, okay. Please kindly revise. That's why I'm giving YouTube concepts, right? You go through the concepts in YouTube, come back here in the app so that we can do our PYQ sessions. That's why I'm giving concept there, PYQ here. Okay? We will also do PYQs there, but we can't do much more here, there, right? So we'll be using the app to explore the poll option so that we'll be time bounded. We'll be having that competitive thought, right? We'll be doing with more interesting things. So we'll be there doing all our concepts, and here we'll be doing all our PYQ sessions. Clear? Yes, yes. Go with the next question. Go with the next question. I will be taking class on YouTube with concepts and with PYQs, right? And here in our app, we'll be doing the latest pattern PYQs 23, 22 will be taken. Yes. Yes, sure. There I'll be doing the concept so that we can come back here doing our PIQs, it will be more interesting. Again, I'm telling the DI and maths and all going to be focused more here so that we can do it fast and quick. The most important things will be done here. Pritika, tell me what's your doubt, Pritika? Pritika, you can tell me your doubt. Yes, I create a poll for this question. Yes, I'll create a poll for this question. Poll not created, sorry. I'll give 60 seconds for this question. Read it properly and then answer. Read the question properly and then answer. Yes, yes. Very good. Just draw that diagram. Don't worry. Draw the diagram. AEIO diagram. You know, right? What is, they've asked for subcontrary. Then subcontrary comes here. I have given you how to identify that keyword. You remember? Yes, Pritika ma'am. YouTube class will be from 10 to 11 a.m. morning ma'am. There we'll be using our concepts. Here we'll be doing our latest PYQs. Very good. You draw the diagram, you will get the option. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good. Very good. Answer for this question is what? 3. Option 3 is the right answer because See, AEIO, our IO will be our subcontrary, right? I will be our subcontrary. What keyword I've given? They both cannot be false together. Then what option will come? Two subcontrary propositions can't both be false. Yes, it is right. They both must be true. It's not possible. It's wrong. Yes, we studied there in our logical reasoning class on YouTube. Yes, the answer for this question is option number 3. Very good. Next we are going to have some questions from research aptitude. From research aptitude. Yes. Can't attend morning live class, ma'am. Will watch recording. Okay, Preeti. Okay, Preeti. Try to attend the app classes regularly so that we can explore more. Yes. Yes. Which type of research encourages participants? I give 30 seconds for this question. Definitely you can identify the answer. Okay, definitely. Let me try. Very good, very good. Yes, yes. Don't attend here in the answer in the chat box. Try to answer in the poll so that it will be useful. Yes. Participants' perspective. Understood the word perspective? Understand the word perspective? Yes. Yes. There's a confusion between option A and option D. See, what do you mean by participant perspective? What do you mean by participant perspective is, in experiments, we cannot take the participant perspective. In experiment, we cannot take the participant's perspective. We can take the participant perspective only in terms of qualitative research. Only in terms of qualitative research we can take the participant perspective, right? See, what do you mean by qualitative research is, if I'm going to do a research with a people of some village, right? I'm going to analyze what is their culture, how they are living, what is their food habits and all. I'm going to analyze means I'll go directly to those persons and I'll be talking to them. By through talking, I will learn their culture and I'll note it down. And there I'll consider each person's perspective, their viewpoints I'll be considering, and then I will take that into my research and I'll be noting it down. And that research, we call it as ethnography research. Whenever I'm going to study about the culture of the people, I'm not taking one people, right? I'll be talking about all the different people, taking each one's perspective which will be taken into consideration, and that we call it as ethnography method. In experimental, see, think in science experiment, can we take consideration of each one's perspective? Will that give a unique answer? Definitely not. Experiment is common for everybody. Is common for everybody. This amount of solution is mixed with this amount of solution should give the same solution for everybody. Not different composition has to be given, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So that's we call experimental research. That there the participant's perspective should not taken into consideration. In ethnography, I consider each and every person in that village. So that we call it as ethnography. So we will be learning what is the types of research and along with the explanation. Historical means what? Something happened long before, right? That I'm going to research. It has some historical importance. That research we call historical research. Okay, right. Next question. So answer is ethnography. Next question. I'll give you 1 minute time for this question. Read it very carefully. Try to answer. If you get the answer, okay. If not, I will explain. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute time. Try to answer. Good evening, Divya. Good evening, Sita Lakshmi. Good evening, Sophie. Good evening. Yes. Good evening, Swarna. Good evening. I've created a poll. Read the question. Very good. I'm getting 71%. Right. Try to understand what is quantitative research. You have to know what is quantitative research, and from that quantitative research we have to yes, quantitative research. Okay, time's up. Got 40% answer, no problem. What do you mean by quantity? What do you mean by quantity? What do you mean by quantity? Something we measure, right? We call it as quantity. Okay, whenever do some with of numerals, we call it as quantity. So, measurable, yes, right. So, see the questions. Is the question visible? I want to zoom. Is the question visible? I want to zoom. Okay. So quantity means what? We are going to measure. So that kind of, whichever things we have the measurements, some numerals, some numbers, right? We call it as quantitative research. What are the types of research that comes under quantitative research that we have to know? Before that, see the questions here, the characteristics they've asked. Questions are open-ended. What do you mean by open-ended question? What do you mean by closed-ended question? Open-ended question means um, if I come and ask you how you prepare coffee, okay, if I come and ask you how you prepare coffee, each one will have their own style of preparing coffee. Yes or no? You will prepare filter coffee. One will prefer for going for instant coffee. One will use one brand of powder. One will use another brand of powder. One will make homemade powder. Each one will make different. So I'll be getting different answers, right? And that we call open-ended questions, where I'll be getting answers in different perspective, that we call open-ended. Yes, exactly, it is subjective. When I say it's a closed end means what? I'll be only having, either you have to select A, B, C or D. Any one option you have to select. You should not go beyond the thing. Okay, either you want red color, blue color, yellow color, white color. Any one color you have to select. If I say like this means it's a closed center. So you see in quantitative research, we cannot go for open-ended. I can go only for what? Closed-ended answers. So the quantitative research will be going with the closed-ended questions, right? Have you seen surveys and all? There they'll be giving closed-ended question. A, B, C, or D. I can't give anything more than that. So questions are open-ended means it is not a characteristics of a quantitative research. It is a characteristic of a qualitative research. Qualitative research. So this will not comes under this category. Next, identified variables are measured. Yes, very good. As you have said, it is measurable. So this option definitely will be there. The questions are standardized. Yes, questions will be standardized. In experimental research and all, in quantitative research and all, we have to go with the scientific method. So that's why they have given it is standardized. Yes, it is absolutely standardized. Next comes, if the sample size is large, the findings can be easily generated. Yes, in quantitative research, the size will be large. Take an example of surveys and all. Surveys, they will not take with 5 people, 10 people. They'll be taking, in quantitative research, they'll be taking lakhs of people, right? So quantitative research means what? The measurement, the number will be huge. But if I take, I'm going to study about a village people means, the village will be consisting of 300 or 400, right? So that number is small compared to lakhs of numbers, right? So the sample size is large in the quantitative research. So this will be the characteristics of quantitative. But in qualitative, the size will be small, right? It is difficult to fix a level of measurement. Yes, this is the characteristics of qualitative research. In qualitative research, I cannot fix any kind of measurement like this, okay? Because I'm getting perspective from each people. I am not having a standard measurement to do things. So that is called this is the characteristics of qualitative research. Answer for this question is B, C, and D. Clear? You got the point of this question? Yes? Are you getting clarity with this thing? Yes? We will be learning more about the concepts, right? First, quick concept along with the PYQs. Quick concepts. So you have to be clear with what do you mean by qualitative and what do you mean by quantitative. Yes, very good, super, too super. Next question, we'll go to the next question. Yes, this is a question from ICT. This is a question from ICT. Oh, I have given the answer. Okay. Have you seen the answer? Okay, let me check. Let me check 100%. Yes, it's B. Oh, after seeing the answer also, I'm getting only 83%, 84. Yes, yes, right. See, this is about memory capacity. Oh my God. Okay. See, arrange the following optical storage device in decreasing order of their storage capacity. In ICT, we have a concept of memory, right? So in memory, we have this thing. That is a register. Right answer is B. Okay, the right answer is B, not C. It's B. Right answer is B. Register, cache memory, primary memory, and we have secondary memory. So these are the different types of memory. And in primary memory, we'll be having a RAM and we'll be having a ROM. In secondary memory, we'll be having the devices like our pen drive, SCD, our DVDs, yes, our pen drives, external drives, and all we have in the secondary memory. So if you take this in this triangle, right, we have to tell the decreasing order of their storage. When I take this register, this have a small size compared to this one. The DVD will be having the pen drive having the high more size compared to the registers. This is small and this will be more. This will be large. Okay, this is the thing. So we have to arrange in order of decreasing order. What will come first? DVD, CD, Blu-ray. So this is with the whole concept. Here we are going to focus only with the secondary storage device. Secondary storage device, CD, DVD, pen drive. Which will have the lowest memory? CD will be having, sorry, Blu-ray will be the lowest memory, and A is our DVD, and B has the smallest one. Okay, B will have the smallest one, C will be having the largest one. Clear? Yes? Yes, Vanita, sorry Vanita, answer is B actually. I clicked the wrong one. Answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, right, right. So here we have to concentrate about the memory concept, register, cache, primary memory, secondary memory, and we have to know what are all the memories there in primary memory, what are all the memories there in secondary memory, and with this secondary memory, which has a most maximum space and in which has the smallest space, we have to understand. So Blu-ray has the maximum storage capacity, and then comes the DVD, and then comes the uh, Blu-ray is a kind of a disk where it stores, it's a storage device. Yes, be like CD. It will be like a CD. Yes. Next, this is most important question with respect to ICT of memory size, storage size, storage size, storage size. Yes, we have to create a poll. Sorry. I'll give you 1 minute, okay? Already I've given you time. Sorry, Bhargavi. Yes. Good. scrolled? Yes, seconds more. Okay. Yes, very good. This is about the memory size. So for 2 to the power 10 is KB, 2 to the power 20 is MB, 2 to the power 30 is GB, 2 to the power 40 is TB, and 2 to the power 50 is petabyte. Yes, touched C but it's touched B. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. So this is how we have to match megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and petabyte. See, in exam, in some cases they ask for the bits. Okay, for bits. Say example, 1 megabyte is equal to what? 1 megabyte is equal to what? How many number of bits we have? 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20. Okay. Yes, 1024 KB. Yes, yes, Anand, I'll show you the leaderboard. Yes, I'll show you. If sometimes if they ask for bits, there will be a twisted kind of questions will be there. We will be discussing the ICT task and all. Okay, so at that you have to be very conscious. Megabyte or megabits they have asked, we have to be very conscious. So that also we have to be convert, right? So these kind of questions we are going to explore in our upcoming paid class. Okay, right? So we are going to have the free classes on 9th, that is tomorrow, 9, 10, 11 at 8 o'clock at night. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to start with the teaching aptitude, all the important concepts of teaching aptitude with PYQs. The PYQs with concepts we are going to study, the latest pattern questions will be going to be there. So do join at 8 p.m. Okay, it will go. We have having one DA. Okay, DA will be taking. I'll make you practice to do DA within 10 minutes time. And we'll be having a YouTube session. This is going to be on Unified Study app. This is going to be at the Unified Study app, night 8 o'clock onwards. And in YouTube, we are going to have the session at morning 10 a.m. Morning 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So tomorrow, as we have planned, we are going to have our higher education concepts. Yes, tomorrow morning also class, ma'am. Yes, yes, we will be having a YouTube session. You don't want YouTube class? We'll be having a YouTube class in the morning, and we'll be having our app class in the night. Okay, so we'll be having two classes, one in the morning and one in the night. So YouTube session will be of the concepts, and the app classes will be going to be with your PYQs. Okay. Or else I'll also go with the teaching aptitude. Hence, because tomorrow we are going to have the teaching aptitude, right? I'll go along with the teaching aptitude, so it'll be easy for you to have the concept here and going with the PYQs there. It will be easy. Okay. So 9, 10, and 11, we're going to have a free class, and then for all the learners. And then from next day onwards, from 13th, 12th, we don't have. The next day onwards, we are going to have a paid session. Hope you will like the session, right? We'll be having test series, and we'll be having the revision live mock test. Along with me, we are going to be done weekly once, and we have also have planned to do PYQs that we'll be planning. That's on the plan. So try to join Unify Study app and join the course. It will be most useful for you to get 80 plus score in your paper one, so that you'll be definitely clearing your exam to get your net or your JRF. Focus on JRF. Okay, focus on JRF. Those who are going to get, you need to do your research, get JRF and do your research. Okay, right? Those who want to do our net exam, clear your net exam, want to be a assistant professor, clear your net exam. Paper 1 is going to be your key. The PYQ session on app is going to be a planning to do on Monday to Friday. And on Saturday and Sunday, you'll be having your test. Saturday and Sunday, we'll be having your test. Okay, and in YouTube also we'll be having your sessions concepts. Yes, your YouTube class will be on 10th. Yes, Lakshmi Priya ma'am, do join. Definitely we will be enjoying. Yes. And as the exams nearing, we'll be having more kind of marathon session. We'll be having marathon classes. Topic wise quick revision we'll be having. It will be most useful. Okay, so try to join an app for PYQ's experience of latest pattern, and we'll be having concepts also here and also on YouTube. Okay, any doubts? So note the time, note the time. Kindly do join to attend the app and also the YouTube sessions. Yes, I'll show you the leaderboard. Yeah. Vanita, Ammu, Niveta, SHR, Liza, Vetrivel, Kirtana, Lakshmi Priya, Sabi, and Saranya. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good for all the students on leaderboard and also on the those who are attending the class through app and also through YouTube. Kindly do join the app and explore our PYQs to get clear the exam. So any doubts? Yes. Lakshmikant, Blu-ray is a disc which can hold a capacity of 25 GB. Okay, 25 GB. And DVD, we know a normal DVD will be holding 4.4 GB. Okay, CD will be storing with a capacity of MB. Okay, so Blu-ray is a disc which can single Blu-ray disc will hold 25 GB memory size. That's why that holds the highest, and your CD will be in the lowest one, the decreasing order. Yes, Lakshmikant, your answers. Yes, yes. Okay, thank you so much for joining the session. Tomorrow join at 10 a.m. and YouTube, and at night for the app session. Okay, those who have got their subscription for paper 2, for them will be having 500 rupees discount. They can avail through the website. Okay, so hence there are very limited number. Please do avail the opportunity, and those who want to avail the paper 1 can join the course by enrolling for rupees 1000. There you can have the test series here in the app. Weekly test will be there, daily test will be there. The DI will be loaded in your test series. We attend the test DI and come into the class so that we can practice and we can learn. Yes? 9. Sophie, I can't get you. What is this? Sophie? 9:30 it will available, ma'am, class. I can't get you. Okay. 9:30 at night? Okay, YouTube 8:30 is good. Okay, we'll let you know. No worries, no worries. We'll let you know in the group. Okay? Yes? Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Don't worry, we are here to help you. We'll try the maximum to help you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. See you all morning.